Oof. All right, boys, what is going on, everybody? So today I am headed to the G Fuel offices in New York. Never thought I'd say that, but yeah, so I am headed there. That is where I am going today. I cannot freaking believe it. You know, I know it might sound cringy and stuff, but years ago I used to really honestly dream about going and visiting G Fuel and just meeting everybody. And I'm finally doing it. I'm super excited. So let's go ahead and let's do this, boys. Hey, what's up? How are you? Nice to meet you.
It sometimes gets bad, but like...
2 G Fuel fridges, you got the blue one.
This is like an old school one. Like,
oh my goodness.
Like trade show. Scooper, he's super friendly.
Hey. No.
We'll see enough. We have a whole suit here.
Are these the only $2?
There's actually
New, really new, if I'm being honest. Yeah.
Right at the office.
Yep. Hello. Hey. Oh my goodness.
He's like,
Yeah.
You got every flavor we've ever, man, not every flavor ever used, so this is where everything, all the good stuff comes to. These are all the sample packs, shirts, tubs, everything. That is an art.
Yeah.
They're coming like naturally on a skid like this. And then we'll do inventory, they get stocked and they get brought in. Yeah. And then we have like other places in the warehouse. We have like 6 different warehouses we own. Yep. And those is store product and we need more.
Yeah. Wait, so are these tubs right here?
Yep. All tubs. Okay. All these boxes that are like this are all tubs. Oh, okay. All the way down.
Yeah.
So, packing stations. So you got single servings. Yep. You got the scoops. You got the collector's boxes. Yeah, tubs and shakers. It's everywhere here.
I have right now is the gray Stream Team.
Okay, so you have an older one. I first did, I guess TwitchCon was technically my first event. Like, I've done a lot of other events, but nothing crazy big. They were every single tub that we ever made.
Wow.
I don't think I first did anything exciting in it.
Oh, this is full of cans?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, my.
Yeah.
Goodness gracious. What's this one?
I don't know.
Yeah.
So, like, we own this entire side of the block.
Holy, this place is huge. Oh my God. What? What's going on, boys? This place is massive. Goodness gracious, I've never been in a hotel room this big for one person. Holy banana peels, boys. They got everything in here. This place is nice. All right, guys, so I'm in the hotel now, and this place is freaking nice. We even got a fridge over here. Holy crap, fridge. Really nice big fridge. We got a microwave. Freaking huge shout out to G Fuel for setting all this up for me. I really do appreciate it. But anyways, what's going on right now is I'm just settling down here, putting my stuff down, and we're gonna head over to the G Fuel house. And that is where I'm gonna hang out a little bit, gonna eat with Cliff and everybody, and play some Fortnite and maybe stream my channel. I'm not sure, I have the option to do whatever, so I'm really excited. And yeah, so let's go and do that, boys.
Oh,
hello.
Hello. Hey, welcome to the G Fuel house.
Holy, well, you got the rug too. Oh my God, hello.
This is man today.
Hello.
What's up?
How are you?
Good.
Goodness.
The bathroom there, and a bathroom here, so you can use it. Another stream room in here that's kind of like, you use it for like backup creation and stuff.
Bathroom. Oh wow.
So if at some point you want to do like your own, so like this is like my official office that I pimped out. So like there's my PC, then the stream PC on the side.
Using an
I'm using actually a 4K capture card. So this runs to the micro splitter.
Wait, is this the main room?
This is the main room.
This is the main room.
This arm's not showing.
Right. Forget about the Mark II part. That's very important.
It is very important.
I hear you.
So so Cliff runs his stream off up here. So all these computers, I guess those three computers, all run into that computer, which has dual quad HDMI capture cards.
Alright guys, so what's going on? It's day number 2. Yeah, I'm gonna be doing some filming today with Cliff, I think. I'm gonna be trying some flavors early and stuff like that. And other than that, and Friday Fortnite, that's really the main things today.
So I'm going to guess that I can't get into much trouble for this. So this is going to be that's since I didn't send it out today like I said I was going to. What's that?